Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use environment variables with Next.js. First of all, we're going to install Bootstrap the app. So I'm just going to do this and install it in the current folder. And I'm going to just enter the defaults. Just enter. So the process is the same for Next 13 and previous older versions of Next.js. There's no difference. So let's wait for it to install. Once it's done, go right into it. And here is the application. So the next thing we want to do is this. We want to start the server. That's YAML left. So application is running on localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. I'm gonna make this separate. So our app is now running at localhost 3000. And we are on the home page. So basically, if you want to, if we create a file called .env. So normally what Next does is it picks, if you have .env.local, it picks up the environment variable there, or .env.production, or just simply .env. It will pick up the variables you placed in these files. So but there's one catch to it. So for example, if I create a variable called my secrets, and then I just put a random key there, I save it. If you go to the app, so I'm going to try to log that here. I'm going to try to get that. So let's just play a variable here, host secrets is equals to env dot my secrets, and then just go there and pick that up. Now try to log it right here, and so let's log secrets. You can see that we have access to it here. This is our secret on the server. And then also let's check also for clients. So I'm going to add use clients to turn this to a client. So for our client, let's check our logs. This day, you can see that secret becomes undefined here. It is available on our server when we are using server. Let's take a look at that again. You can see our secret is available, but when we turn it to a client component, it's not available. It's not available on the client side. It's available on the server, but it's not available on the client side. Even when this is a server component, it will still be available on the server, but not on the client side. You can see where it's not available on the client side. I can refresh that. You can see that we don't have access to it. We don't have access to it at all. So the way to get around this, you might want your variables to be available on the client. So to make it publicly available on the client side, if you need to access it on the client side, there is a way you can do that. Where you are using a client component, automatically it is no longer available on the server. You can see we don't have it here. This is logs from previous. So if I close this and clear this, and then restart my server, it shouldn't log it out. It shouldn't log out this because it's not available. This variable is not available for us on the client side, because Next.js is server first, server sided rendering. So you can see it has loaded the env, but it's not available on the server nor on the client. So the way to get around that is, in your env you need to precede this with next public to make it available publicly. Next underscore public and underscore whatever name you want to name your key. So if I do this and I copy this, go back to my client-sided app and change this to next public and save it. Now this should be available on the client side. I'm gonna refresh this. You can see it's now available, and it's now available also on the server. So for you to be able to access your environment variables in a client component, you need to prefix it with next underscore public underscore whatever name it's your environment variable. Let me make this quick. Make another one. Make it my private key instead. Then just say public underscore private underscore here. I'm gonna save this, copy this there. I'm gonna make this two different. I'll call this private, and I'm gonna just place this with the private, and then let's log out the private just replace this. Also replace this. Why is this string an L? Private is a reserved word, a strict word. Okay, so I'm going to say private underscore key instead. Underscore key. So I want to save that. So you're going to see we're going to have access to it once it's compiles. So if I go to my, if I refresh this, you can see already we have access to it on the front end, secrets and privates. I'm going to reload this again. And then you see it, secret and private. And then we should also see it on a server, secret, private. You can see it here. So for you to have access to this on a client-sided application component, you need to prefix it with next underscore public. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Kindly like and share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.